So yo, I'm at Raising Kings. I'm gonna do a review. Just want to see what it's like, you know. Always wanted to try it. Took me a while to try it. Now I'm gonna try it. Another thing, my old engine went out yesterday. Just bought the car 2 weeks ago. And that's, you know, all that money down the drain. I should have known not to fucking buy that shit, because I'm not a Ford person. But, you know, I'm either gonna fix it or I'm gonna send it back to the dealer. I don't think I really don't want to fix it. It's a lot of work. I don't think I got all the tools for it. But if I do fix it, that's gonna be a huge job. I'd rather fix it myself than give it to somebody else. You know what I'm saying? I trust myself to do that. But to be honest, I work on that car and a lot of stuff is over torqued, you know, so I really don't want to do that maintenance. But I'm getting into what let's focus on this Raising Cane's and whatever it is. Let's, you know, that's what we're worried about now. So yeah, I'm gonna holler at you in a few minutes. I'm gonna get this food, see what it's about.